Ready to get hands-on with cybersecurity? Today we are installing Ubuntu right inside the virtual machine. Welcome back to day 4. Yesterday we installed VirtualBox. Now let's run Ubuntu, the most powerful hacking playground. For that you need to follow some steps. Step 1. Download the Ubuntu ISO from the official website. So search Ubuntu. This is the official website, so just click on it. Then you will get this page after clicking on that side. So go to here, download Ubuntu. So click on this, download Ubuntu for desktop. So this is the latest version. You need to download it at almost 5.9 GB. So make sure your internet is good. So my downloading is started. So my installation is completed here. You see that here Ubuntu installation is completed. So I'm opening the folder. This is my Ubuntu file, but it is an .iso extension, so we need to follow some process to add this machine to the virtual machine. For that you need to open the VirtualBox. Step 2, you need to follow that. Open the VirtualBox and click on new. Here is the new, and give the name as Ubuntu. So here is the folder VM, and in place of ISO image you need to give the downloaded file. So just click on others and add that ISO extension. So you need to add this. You need to open this, click open, and type is automatically Linux. So all are by default the same. So click on this skip unattended installation, so that you can get a finish option. And next go to hardware. So now is the step 3. So choose the hardware. You need to choose the hardware and RAM. Choose your RAM at least 2 GB for a smooth performance. Step 4. Create a new hard disk with 25 GB. Works great for most users. So it is already 25 GB, and click on finish. So now it is added to your VirtualBox. The Ubuntu machine is added to your VirtualBox. So now we can run it smoothly. It is running. You can see that powering VM up. VirtualBox is opening. So here my virtual machine is open. So this is the Ubuntu. So want to know how to install hacking tools in your Ubuntu? So stay tuned for tomorrow.